Be ready and start. After we made order on 11th September 1990, we had appealed to counsel and those who were in the courtroom to take note of the fact that the dispute has now come to the apex court, and it is necessary that parties and the people who were agitated over this question should maintain a disciplined posture and create an atmosphere where the question can be dispassionately decided by this court. Stop. There is no justification to be panically over any situation, and if anyone's rights are prejudiced in any manner, certainly relief would be available at the appropriate stage, and nothing can happen in between which would deter this court from exercising its power and an effective manner. Stop. Next stanza. Be that as it may, sitting as a judge, one cannot be swayed either way while interpreting the constitutional provisions pertaining to the issues under controversy by the reflexes of the opinion of any section of the people, or by the turbulence created in the society, or by the emotions of the day. Stop. Because nothing inflicts a deeper wound on our Constitution than in interpreting it running out of control regardless of human rights and dignity. Stop. Next stanza. We are very much alive to the fact that the issues with which we are now facing are hypersensitive, highly explosive, and extremely delicate. Stop. Therefore, the permission judicial creativity in tune with the constitutional objectivity is essential to the interpretation of the constitutional provisions, so that the dominant values may be discovered and enforced. Stop. At the same time, one has to be very cautious and careful in approaching the issues in a very pragmatic and realistic manner. Stop. Next stanza. Part 3 dealing with fundamental rights and Part 4 dealing with directive principles of state policy, which represent the core of the Indian constitutional philosophy, envisage the methodology for removal of historic injustice and inequalities, either inherited or artificially created, and social and economic disparity, and ultimately for achieving an egalitarian society in terms of the basic structure of our Constitution as spelled out by the preamble. Stop. Thou, all man and woman created by the Almighty, whether orthodox or heterodox. Stop. Whether theist or atheist, whether born in the highest class or lowest class, whether belong to a religion or be religion, are biologically same. Stop. Having same purity of blood. Stop. In a Hindu society, they are divided into a number of distinct sections and subsections known as castes and subcastes. Stop and over. अगर आपको कोई भी वर्ड डिफ़िकल्ट लगे, उसकी आउटलाइन के लिए या किसी भी तरह की कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए आप नीचे कमेंट करें. थैंक यू.